what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is once. We're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN. I'm your host P5, aka P equals MC squared, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that you already know what I'm gonna do, guys. Go around the camera, come back in, we're gonna do it like we're doing it. Yeah, that's right. You got it right. Alright, I'm gonna see you on the flip side. Let's do it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let me give you the twirlage as I adjust myself. You know what I mean? Let me give you a little close up here. You know what I mean? Label, please do come out of the way. Let me adjust my set. And you guys do not adjust your sets while I adjust myself. You know what I mean? Alright, guys, let me just give you a little close up. You see it. You know what I mean? Give you a little twirlage. 12 to the RJ. 12 to the RJ. Alright guys, shall we get into it? Let's get into it. Start at the waist. Let's do it. Guys, today we have this Stone Island multi-pocket cardigan. Really beautiful piece. High price piece this, but of course managed to get this from the outlet. You know when you find them bargains and you're like, woo! Well, this is one of them. Managed to pick this up. Super nice in this resplendent green. Not quite forest, but shall we say army. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, my waist is there. Drops just a bit below the waist as we expect, like any normal top jacket does. And yeah, very nice. Let's look at the cuffages, shall we? Little cuff to the left, little cuff to the right. Equilibrium set, beautiful thing. Let's get it. As you can see, this ribbon on the cuff is a little bit different from your normal ribbon. As you can see, it's just got that sort of different patination. Yes, I said patination. Let's make it up and make it a word for the nation. Boom, very nice little patination. And of course, if you look closer on the fabric, you can see that patination sort of running all the way through the fabric. You know what I'm saying? Just give you a little turn up to the back. Okay, as you can see, we have this zip which comes in a V-neck. So as you can see, my first little V-neck. I don't really wear a V-neck, but boom, V to the neck right there. You have this double zip right there, as you can see, double zip, which allows you to open c'est ça, like this, or you know, boom, you just scroll all the way down. I said scroll, you zip all the way down, and this is via a YKK zipper. You see, YKK zipper. Of course, you have this variable green right here, which is the same as here, and then on this part here, which is kind of, I mean, so soft, it's just like you want to touch your nipples in this cold. So soft, super soft, like a SMERIGLIATA. You know the SMERIGLIATA that I did? It's the exact same material of that. Okay, cool. Let's go left hand side, right hand side. First set of pockets, you have this push down pocket which allows you to store a couple coins of gold in there. Not too bad at all, nothing too crazy. A couple coins of gold and a couple coins of silver on the right hand side. You know, your hand's not really sitting in there. It's not a full hand pocket. You wouldn't put your hands in there like that. So put your silver and your gold coins and you are good to go. Now if we move a little bit further down, left hand side, right hand side, you have another set of pockets with the same kind of lid. It's that over lid. It's not a full lift up envelope lid. Now if you put your hands in there, it definitely takes your hands, but really what you would do is put a few bars of gold, maybe a couple of the kids, but nothing else. But putting your hands in here feels really nice. Maybe it's because it's freezing, but yeah, really cool. Again, you would not put your hands in here. The stress on the fabric would be too much, but very nice. Again, couple kids, couple bars of gold. Now left hand side, right hand side, just like the SMERIGLIATA, you have these side sort of zippers which allow you to put your hands in once again, same as these pockets here. Few bars of gold, couple kids, nothing more, because you know, yeah, you could walk down the street with your hands and you skyrocket a bit like that, but you know, at a push guys, at a push. Now of course on the side you have this extra sort of pocket which kind of flies all the way to the back, which is the same depth and width as the other. Again, couple kids and a few bars of gold, but you're not doing anything else. Of course, equilibrium certain beautiful thing, so you've got the same right there. Really nice, guys. Of course, you have the Stone Island badge, special in all its non-specialness, unlike the Ghost, which you have previously seen. Very nice. Simple but beautiful. Let's take this off to my detriment because it's freezing, and let's just have a look at the innards. Of course, you see the stone island right there, and say a beautiful thing. Of course, you see all your literature right there, and of course, you see the body. Super soft, guys. Super soft. It's just a beautiful piece. Yeah, really nice, guys. Really nice. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can it get any better than that? And I'm just gonna say, do it on camera, slide around, have it. Ooh, it comes in a black, guys. It comes in a black. Ooh, exactly the same dimensions, exactly the same size. This is a large, so I just thought I'd show you what the black looks like. Of course, I've got a black tee underneath, so it looks like one piece, black on black. Just give you a little tour. Again, exact same dimensions. You've got that nice little strip going down the middle, which sort of breaks it up. Nice little soft material. Pockets galore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pockets. Yeah, really nice. Guys, this has been a Stone Island V-neck multi-pocket cardigan with, I think, some terry SMERIGLIATA on top. I'm not sure. Today I have the Stone Island cargo pants right here. Super nice, really dope. A black tee I've got on. Oops, let me take it off. I got on Jordan 3s, and my Menieres, you know what I mean, as you do if you do. And that's it, guys. You already know what it is. This has been Once We're Not Saying Magazine, dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. This has been another episode of nice bit of Kick That. I've been your host, P Fire, and guys, as always, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and put your feelings down below. I'm gonna see you on the flip side. Hopefully I've given you some nice little bits that you can comment on. Oh, by the way, also one of these will be for sale. I'm not sure if it's the black or the green, but hit me up. It's a size large, high retail price, but I'm doing a good price. So yeah, guys, stay dope, stay fly. I'll see you on the flip side. Gang, peace.